Anaya, it's me, your babysitter.
I know who you are.
Are you ready to go to the park?
Are you the one taking me?
Yes.
Then no.
What's that supposed to mean?
I don't like you.
Oh, come on. I know we got off to a bad start, but we could be best friends.
No offense, but I would rather break my own leg and eat it.
Okay, well, I have a big day planned for us.
I don't care.
If you lay back down, I know something.
Are you threatening me? Do you want to know why I'm banned from Canada?
No, I do not.